Hi, Frosting Fran here with a new product from K9Cakery.com. This is a Cake Shop mini microwavable dog cake, and this one is for a good dog. Inside you will get cake mix, a packet of frosting mix, and we even include a candle. This cake has no sugar, no fat, goes in the microwave for a minute and a half. You can do it right in this very container. It also is a great idea for a gift. Take this to somebody's house and make them a cake right there. Please check us out at K9 Cakery, that's K, number 9, CAKERY.com.